I'm Chris.
I'm Martin. We're the Kratts brothers.
And we're here with some lemurs, a type of primates.
Primates include lemurs, monkeys, and apes.
Monkeys have the biggest group with over 260 different kinds. And there are some really interesting looking monkeys. Come on, we'll show you. This is a cotton-top tamarin. My vote for one of the coolest looking monkeys in the world. Check out that crazy hairdo and that wise chiseled face. Oh, you are so cool. I love how they have that white hair on their eyebrows, down their nose, and even on their cheeks and chin. Where you going? Cotton-top tamarins are one of the smallest monkeys in the world.
They weigh less than half a kilogram.
About the size of a grapefruit. And they're one of the most endangered. There are only a few cotton-top tamarins left in the whole world. The monkey world is full of rare, strange-looking, and amazingly interesting monkeys that most people don't even know about. But why does a cotton-top tamarin, or any of the other strange-looking monkeys of the world, why do they look the way they do? Or make the special sounds they make, trills, chirps, echoing calls? Imagine if we could get inside the lives of one of the strangest of all monkeys and be able to have their incredible creature powers. What if?
On adventure with the coolest creatures, from the oceans to the trees, the brothers Kratts are going places you never get to see. Hanging with their creature friends, get ready, it's the hour. We're gonna save some animals today with creature power. Gonna go wild, wild, Kratts, gonna go wild, 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 Kratts. Gonna go wild, wild, Kratts, gonna go wild, wild, wild.
Cheetah speed and lizard glide, falcon flight and lion pride.
Gonna go wild, wild, Kratts, gonna go wild, 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 Kratts. Gonna go wild, wild, Kratts, gonna go wild, 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 Kratts. Go wild, 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 Kratts.
Honk. Woohoo! I love the Borneo rainforest. Check out this monkey move, Martin. Woohoo! Yeah! Is that a long-tailed langur leap or what?
Nice! How about this one? I'm a pig-tailed macaque!
Whoa, wait, monkey dudes. How many monkeys are there around here anyway?
Well, besides us, there's the maroon langur, the gray langur, and a pig-tailed snub-nosed monkey!
Uh-oh.
Whoa, sorry, guys.
Hey, I finished that disc from the mystery hairs we found.
Cool. Now, if we only knew what creature it was.
What's that?
No idea. But sounds like an adventure is calling us, Chris.
Mystery sound, here we come.
Here, take the discs. You'll have to figure this one out, too.
Have a fine, dude. Thanks. Woohoo!
That sounds like some kind of frog to me.
Not so fast, Schnozzle. Woohoo! Woohoo! Did you catch that move, Schnozzle? That hurts. Martin? Chris? You find this pretty funny, do you, Schnozzle?
I think it's a pretty good look for you guys. And thanks for figuring out that the mystery discs are the proboscis monkey.
Oh, hello. We're just wondering what these noses are for. Hi there. Hi.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
Suddenly we're pretty popular around here. Hey.
Guys, I think you figured out one thing those noses are for.
We did?
Yeah, the girl monkeys like them.
You're right. In nature, lots of animals have certain features that show off they're healthy and strong.
Like male moose and deer. They have big antlers to show females that they're survivors.
For proboscis monkeys, it's all about the nose. The bigger and droopier the nose, the better. And I think I know someone who's not happy to have two more monkeys in this troop.
We'd better deactivate. Uh-oh! The mud jammed them up!
We better back off.
Sorry, gotta leave!
I've got to work on deactivation programming for those suits. The guys just got banished from the troop.
That must mean there's only one male proboscis monkey to a troop. I wouldn't want to mess with Schnozzle.
Guys, come on back. Aviva's gonna get those suits repaired for you.
Be right there, Koki. What's going on?
It's not what's going, it's what's coming. A gharial crocodile.
Nosy! Look out!
Yes!
Schnozzle!
Schnozzle, you did it! You're a hero! What a rescue!
Oh no, Schnozzle! You okay?
He's hurt. Schnozzle?
He's banged up really badly.
We gotta get him back to the HQ. We can fix him up there.
Uh-oh. But the troop depends on him.
I know, but we don't have any choice.
Without Schnozzle, who's going to be the one and only adult male of the troop?
I don't know.
Who's going to protect the troop from predators like the Gharial?
I don't know.
Who's going to be Schnozzle while Schnozzle's gone?
I know.
What?
You are!
Me? Hey, I know I like to monkey around, but taking his place? I have no idea what to do.
Ah, but the troop's counting on you. I'll be back in a flash. Hang on, Schnozzle.
Okay. I'll start with one of those Honk sounds to show everybody that I can do this. Ooh, that was my first try. I'll get better, I hope.
We've got a proboscis monkey that needs some help here.
Which one?
Schnozzle. He took a big fall. Martin's keeping the troop together until this guy recovers.
We'll fix you up, Schnozzle. Just relax.
You'll feel right at home here in this tree.
Oh, he's a valuable monkey. Proboscis monkeys are one of the most endangered of all monkeys.
It says here that their forest home is being cut down. The forests where proboscis monkeys live are getting smaller every year.
Wow, no wonder they're endangered.
That's why we've got to protect this troop. Don't worry, Schnozzle. We'll keep everybody safe until you get back.
That's what happens when the circuit board gets caked in mud. I replaced it, so your suit's good to go again.
Thanks. I gotta get back out there and help Martin figure out how to lead this troop.
We'll get Schnozzle back on his feet as soon as we can.
Okay, so I guess we'll just eat some right here. Okay, everybody, dig in. No? Not these? Chris, come in!
Go ahead, Martin.
I'm in way over my head. Everybody thinks I know what I'm doing, but I don't.
Neither do I. But I'm with the troop just upriver. Over here. This big guy'll know what to do. I'll just keep an eye on him.
Great. And I'll just do whatever he does. So what's he doing now?
Wait! Where'd he go?
Ah, found him. Whoa! Easy, dude.
It's a challenge. You gotta defend Schnozzle's territory, or other monkeys will try to take it over.
I know, but he's tough. Okay, I'll do it for Schnozzle. Ah, the shake and grimace. And the Kerhunk. Uh-oh.
Martin, you've got to scare him off.
I know, I just can't get the nose to work right. Yeah, that'll show ya.
Way to go, Martin. But you really need to work on that Honk.
Tell me about it. I hope Schnozzle's better soon.
Amazing. Give me a little Honk, Schnozzle.
Hey, easy, Schnoz. I'm just passing through.
Just what I thought. His nose is a resonating chamber.
A what? I'll stick to calling it a nose.
A resonating chamber. See, when I strum a guitar like this, the sound coming from the strings bounces around inside the guitar, making it nice and loud. It's the same with Schnozzle's nose. He makes a sound, and the sound bounces around in his big nose, making it louder. That's another reason his nose is so huge.
Cool.
Okay, this should help him get his strength back. I've got the proboscis monkey's favorite leaves.
Wow! This monkey has one strange feature after another.
He's got a bowling ball in there?
No, he has 4 stomachs. Leaves are super hard to digest, so the proboscis monkey has 4 stomach chambers that the leaves pass through. Each one digests the leaves a little bit more. That way, the monkey can eat even the toughest leaves.
What? 4 stomachs full of leaves? If I had 4 stomachs, I'd use 1 for hamburgers, 1 for milkshakes, 1 for pickles, and 1 for pizza.
I get it. He's like a big guard watching over the troop.
Chris, what's going on over there?
He's watching over them.
What's that?
Something's spooking them.
What? You're spooking me.
A clouded leopard.
You didn't say clouded leopard, did you?
Yeah, she's hunting the monkeys. A top monkey predator. And guess what, Martin?
More good news?
Looks like that's your main job. You're the guard of the troop. The males watch out for danger while everyone else eats. Just use your nose to give the alarm call if you see a predator.
Except for one little problem.
What?
I still don't have the nose alarm down!
Well, you better get it down fast, because that leopard just disappeared. I lost track of him.
Okay, don't worry, Nosy. I'm on the lookout. Oh, I wish a clouded leopard was easier to see. He could be anywhere with that camouflage. He'll just blend right in with the shadowy forest. Better practice the alarm call, just in case... Ow! What kind of proboscis monkey has a squeaky toy for an alarm call? Sorry, false alarm. What? It was there the whole time. Whew. Oh, thanks, Nosy. That's one way to get my nose working.
It's just me.
Oh,
Quick, you gotta move the troop.
to where?
Back to the river. That's where they sleep. All the other proboscis monkey troops are there already. It's the safest place to be at night.
Okay, everybody, to the river!
I'll go ahead and scout for predators. All clear straight ahead, Martin. Bring them through. Ow! Scratch that. Serpent eagle alert with super sharp talons. Ow!
Uh-oh, that's a monkey eater. Don't mind if I borrow this, do you, Nosy? Everybody, head this way!
Looks good up here, Martin. No sign of predators. Strange vine. On second thought, python alert.
To the left, everybody! No python's gonna eat us in one gulp.
The riverbank.
We made it. I told you we'd get you here. Everybody's safe and sound.
Oh, sorry it took all night.
Yeah, and it won't happen again. Now we know. Sleep at the river. That way predators like clouded leopards and snakes can't approach you from behind, right? So, you forgive us? Uh-oh.
They're deserting us. Wait!
No, you gotta stay here until Schnozzle gets back. Please, give us another chance.
What is going on? Why would the monkeys be leaping into the water like this?
I don't know, but if they're going in, then I am too. Please, come back! Chris! I can't believe it! Oh, these monkeys, they swim like pros! And guess what? We even have webbed feet!
A monkey with webbed feet. And they're more comfortable in the water than any monkey in the world.
And that's another reason they sleep near the water. They can easily jump in to escape predators if they need to.
But right now, they're not escaping anything. They're crossing for some other reason. And we gotta know why.
Wait! Come back!
Uh-oh, Martin! Gariel! To the left! There are predators in this river. So they wouldn't be crossing unless it was for something really important. You gotta make sure they make it.
Swim! Everybody, do your best monkey paddle!
Where is it? Where is it?
Hurry, Nosy! Oh, alarm call, please don't fail me now! I did it! I did the Honk! Hang on, Nosy! It's gonna be close!
Where is it? Where is it? Got it! Crocodile! And a gharial is a type of crocodile. I hope it works. Activate creature power suit! Carnivore to the herbivore rescue!
Hey! Now there's one carnivore I love to see. Nice one, bro!
Right back at you. Awesome, Honk. Let's hear that again.
It'd be a pleasure. I did it! I am officially a proboscis monkey with a full Honk.
Just a little too late. Look, the monkeys are gone.
Oh no. We let the troop down. I let Schnozzle down. We lost his troop.
Hi, guys.
Aviva, we messed up. The troop lost faith in us. They're gone.
Schnozzle's gonna be so sad.
Well, he might be happier than you think.
Schnozzle!
He's feeling all better, so I brought him back. But I must have gotten turned around and ended up on the wrong side of the river.
So that's why all the monkeys crossed the river. They heard Schnozzle's call.
You do that Honk best, Schnozzle. And they all know it. What, did you see how I really had it down at the end there when the gharial came? Huh?
Mission accomplished. We kept Schnozzle's troop together and got him back home. And we found out why proboscis monkeys have such big noses.
Great job filling in for Schnozzle, Martin.
Thanks. I'll never forget how important proboscis monkeys' noses are. Not only do they look good to the other proboscis monkeys, but they make that all-important alarm call, which I mastered, by the way.
The most beautiful face in the world for any troop of proboscis monkeys.
Not bad for a Kratt brother either.
Proboscis monkeys and cotton-topped tamarins are some of the most unusual monkeys in the world. Now we know that different animals have different features to tell things to other members of the group. So then, what's with the crazy hairdo? We might be able to show you if we hang out with them for a while and get to know them better. First off, cotton-topped tamarins live in groups. This right here is the female, and the male's back there. Oh, there he goes. And we'll just be a couple more tamarins in the group. Now, just like the proboscis monkey's big nose, that crazy hairdo is partly a sign telling other members of the group that that tamarin is healthy and strong. But just like the proboscis monkey's nose is also about communication, there's probably more to the cotton-topped tamarin's crazy hairdo than just one thing. It's lunchtime for us cotton tops. Maybe we can find out more about their behavior by eating with them. Cotton-topped tamarins love to eat fruit and insects. I got a green grape and a red grape. Which do you want? Goes for the red grape. They get most of their water from the fruit they eat. How about you? Which do you like better? Green or red? Green. Look at those little hands, how they can grab onto that fruit. They don't have opposable thumbs like we do, or like other apes do, but their hands can still grab by folding like that. Listen to those sounds. Like other group animals, communication is really important to cotton-topped tamarins. Cotton-topped tamarins have about 17 different kinds of contact calls that keep the group together. Alarm calls that warn everybody of danger. Danger. This is a Colombian boa constrictor, one of the cotton-top tamarin's worst enemies. They're wary, but they're not on full red alert, because if they were, that crazy hairdo they have would be standing up on end, making them look twice as big as they really are. Let's get this guy out of here. And that's the other reason for the crazy hairdo of the cotton-top tamarin. Fruit? Yeah, sure. We'll see you on the creature trail. Keep on creature adventuring.
Hey, want to learn some of the coolest dance moves? Stay tuned for Jackie's School of Dance, coming up next on TVO Kids Weekends.